Sir, what is this program is today for?
See, we are opening a dedicated SME MSME branch in Delhi at Model Town branch. As you are aware, the Prime Minister is also saying that more employment needs to be created in the country. With a view to see that the SME sector is progressing well, we decided and we thought it fit that we open an SME branch right in Delhi so that the SME sector can really take advantage of our presence in this part of the country. And we believe that the more people get finance for this particular sector, we believe that it's going to increase the GDP of the country as well as create employment opportunities in the larger sections. Yeah.
So MSME sector always faces the issue of lending, because the interest rates are very high for the MSMEs, like 13 to 14%, and the big companies are only 8 to 9%. So, sir, how it could be solved?
First of all, I don't agree that large industries are getting 8 to 9% and all. It all depends on the base rate and the rating of the company. We encourage SME sector also to go in for rating, maybe from Semera or somebody else. The better the rating, the better the rates will be, because the rates are basically linked to the risk perception of the bank. So they're all attached to the kind of risk that the bank is entertaining. So I will not agree that the rate is quite high. If the rating of the company is good enough, even the SME sector can also dictate terms to see that they are also getting loans from the bank at better rates.
So budget session is coming. So what we can expect for the MSME? In terms of support the banks. How would the bank support if anything would come?
I'm not privy to those things. I don't think nobody will be privy to what is going to come in the budget. But then, as the government says, as the Prime Minister says, the focus is on increasing Make in India, more skills development in India, and more job opportunities to be created for the people of India. The population is exploding and the government is rightly thinking on these sides, and I'm sure that the finance minister must be looking at this as well and maybe coming out with some good initiatives in this line.
So Startup India, the flagship program of Indian government. So how the banking sector is going to help them?
We are all waiting to see how the things are going to be coming forward. At the IBA level also we are discussing. Once everybody sits across and discusses, and maybe we will come out with some good schemes individually from each bank in this line as well.